For just about any business out there, dealing with invoices manually is a universal headache. I mean, it's slow, it's tedious, and it's surprisingly costly. So today, we're going to break down how automation is completely changing that game. Does this look familiar? Just hours and hours staring at a screen, manually typing in vendor names, dates, amounts. It's such a massive drain on time and, honestly, on talent. It's a problem that's just begging for a better way. And that drain on your team's time, well, it comes with a very real cost. So let's dig into the high price of just sticking with the old way of doing things, of business as usual. The thing is, these problems have a domino effect. A slow accounts payable process, well, that leads to delayed payments, which can really strain your relationships with vendors. Simple little data entry mistakes, those become expensive headaches down the line. And maybe worst of all, you've got skilled accountants bogged down with clerical work instead of focusing on actual strategy. Okay, so this is where the transformation really begins. We're moving from the problem to the solution, a completely automated workflow. So how does it all work? Well, it's actually brilliantly simple. First, this system just watches you do the manual process one time and records it. Then it uses AI to perfectly copy those same clicks and keystrokes on any system's interface. Think of it like a digital assistant that never gets tired. It automatically checks all the data for errors, and when it's all said and done, it just spits out perfect audit-ready reports. Now, here's the really powerful part. This works without needing any complex or expensive API integrations. Thanks to AI and computer vision, the software can literally see and interact with your screen just like a person would. That means it's pretty much compatible with any ERP or accounting system you're already using. No rip and replace needed. So what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's talk about the transformative impact, because at the end of the day, it's the data-backed results that really matter. 90%. A 90% reduction in processing time. Just think about that for a second. Something that takes your team a full day could now be done in less than an hour. That's a staggering leap in efficiency. And because the automation is validating every single entry, those little human mistakes, the ones that create huge financial problems, they just become a thing of the past, totally eliminated. The benefits here go way beyond just the numbers on a spreadsheet. Faster payments mean happier vendors. Your finance team is suddenly freed up to analyze, to strategize, and to add real value. Plus, you can scale this same technology to other parts of the business without blowing up your budget. It's a win-win-win. Which brings us to the final and maybe most important thought. When you get rid of that bottleneck of manual data entry, what new opportunities suddenly open up? What are the strategic goals your team could finally tackle? It really isn't just about doing the same work faster. It's about fundamentally changing the work you do.